Welcome to How to Play Little Secret. To play, you will need the Little Secret game and 4 to 8 players. There are 18 different missions. Choose one to play based on the number of players in the game. For this 5-player game, the Mount Everest mission will be used. Place the secret codes card into the middle of the players face down. Shuffle the remaining cards and deal 1 to each player. The object of the game depends on which role you have in the game. There are good kittens, who are given the correct secret password, confused kittens, who are given a different password, and a spy pup, who is given no password. Good kittens win the game if they can eliminate all confused kittens and the spy pup from the game. The confused kittens or the spy pup wins if they can go undetected during the game. The game begins with a volunteer announcing a number between 1 and 21. The number announced will be the password being played for the round. Each player will look at their card for the number announced. If there is a spy pup, you are the spy pup. If there is a word for the password, you are a kitten. The kittens don't know if they are a good kitten or a confused kitten. Each player will take turns giving a one-word clue related to the password being played. Good kittens will not want to be too specific to keep the spy pup from guessing the word. Spy pups will have to bluff their way through this phase of the game. After each player has given their one-word clue, all players will debate as to who to eliminate for the round. After some debate, everyone votes on who they want to eliminate by pointing to that person. If a player has a password and is voted out, the player will secretly look at the middle secret codes card to see if they are a good kitten or a confused kitten. The player will announce their role out loud and is eliminated. If the spy pup is voted out, they have one last chance to win. If they can guess the password correctly, the game is over and they win. If not correct, the game continues. The game then continues with another round using the same password. Each remaining player, starting with the player left of the eliminated player, will give a new one-word clue. The debate phase and voting phase come after the clues are given. The good kittens win by eliminating the spy pup and any confused kittens. The spy pup or confused kittens win by being undetected. If there is a tie for who to eliminate during voting, the players can defend themselves for 10 seconds. Then, everyone other than the tying players vote again. If it is still a tie, both players are eliminated. If playing with 6 or more players, the secret weapon cards can be used. The weapon described on the card can be used during the game to affect the play. If you enjoyed learning how to play Little Secret and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.